Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie, and I don't have my curls out today because it is hot AF. But for today's video, we're going to be doing my Allure unboxing that I got over this weekend. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you don't know, Allure is a $15 beauty subscription box that comes with 4 to 5 sample size products, can be full size, whatever. I will leave everything in the description box below. As always, it comes in a box, of course, that looks like this. It's a nice hard box, and it always comes with your little Allure little beauty magazine that tells you everything that's inside the box, what everything does, gives you the 411 basically on everything. So let's see. I'm trying to see if there's like a theme or whatever. Too much to read. Just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing that I see, which I kind of excited about because I saw something like on Facebook or something about this, but it's the makeup eraser sample. It looks like that. And this is, let's see what it is. It says, when I saw it online, it's supposed to be like look like a little towel or something to work. I'm opening it because I'm intrigued. It's a reusable makeup removal, #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. America's favorite makeup removal system since 2013. And the little towel looks like this. And then I guess you're supposed to like wet it and then like remove your makeup. I don't know how this works, but I will try it and keep you guys updated. Well, I guess it has the little instructions right there. It says, put on your heaviest makeup, double your mascara. Simply wet your pre-washed sample with water. The warmer, the better. In a circular motion, gently remove mascara, eyeshadow, blush, foundation, and more. Be amazed that all your makeup was just erased with water. I don't know. I don't know if it can all come off like this thing says, but we'll try. I'm really excited to try that. That sounds interesting. And like I said, I saw it on Facebook, and it's reusable. Save money on makeup wipes. We'll see. Next, I have the Drunken Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense Protect and Preserve, and it is a sheer daily sunscreen that delivers powerful UV protection and guards against premature signs of aging. I'm always down to guard against premature signs of aging, and that's just what it looks like. And I'm excited to try that. And then next is a serum. I'm down to try a serum. I'm all about skincare. We got to protect your skin. And it says reduces visible lines and wrinkles. I'm always down to reduce visible lines and wrinkles. So, ooh. I'm excited to try that. I'm kind of getting bored with my skincare routine. Just spice it up. Next, I have a Skin Fix. It's What We Do. 99% natural. Foam clay cleanser for healthy and beautiful skin. And it says absorbs makeup, dirt, and impurities. Actually, they sent from this same brand, I got like a lip oil or something, and I really like that stuff, so I am excited to try theirs, continue to try their skincare. I am kind of like becoming really interested in that brand. And then the last thing that I got is the Nude Stick. The color is called J Mama. Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. I don't like when stuff says lip and cheek, because I'm not going to use it on my cheeks. I don't like cream cheek products, but it's just like a nude color. very, very nude. I don't know. It's like a sheer pinky nude. I'll use it on my lips. Probably not on my cheeks. I don't know how I feel about that. And it's very like, you could barely even see it on my hands. So I think it'll like blend into my skin if I did try to put it on my cheeks. But that is everything that I got in my Allure unboxing. Or in my Allure box for the month of April, because I know we're in May, but for the month of April, I feel like this box always comes the latest, and it's the one that like I'm usually the most excited about. So yeah, so again, I will leave everything about Allure in the description box below. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, a video suggestions, and subscribe, of course, if you have not already. And until next time.